Welcome, my dear students. If we see the definitions of statistics, there are many definitions given by many authors. According to Dr. A.L. Bowley, statistics are numerical statements of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. So, according to him, statistics are numerical statements collected in any department and placed in relation to each other. For example, sales of last 10 years or profits of last 4 years, which are arranged in a manner to make decision likewise. Professor Euler and Professor Kendall also given definition like the same. By statistics, we mean quantitative data affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of the causes. See, it's a quantitative data which is collected and which is presented and which is going to affect with various reasons. The data is not going to remain the same. Okay, and Professor Horace Sechrist has given a very good definition. The definition is considered as a ideal definition for statistics. His definition is based on actually the characteristic features of the statistics. Statistics are aggregate facts and effects affected by multiplicity of causes, and in his definition we also find statistics are numerical statements. Okay, according to Horace Sechrist, by statistics we mean aggregate of the facts affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of the causes numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and in placed in relation to each other. See, my dear students, though there are many definitions, we consider statistics is one of the important aspect of business decision makings. See, actually, statistics can be defined in two sense. One is singular sense and second one is plural sense. In singular sense, statistics are helpful devices used for the purpose of collecting, classifying, presenting and interpretation of the data. Okay, in plural sense, whatever the methods are there, that is said to be singular sense, and numerical data is called as plural sense. Okay, my dear students, one should learn the definitions of the statistics. The word statistics is derived from Latin word status. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.